Hello everyone. Today we're going to see about how to solve the mathematical expression in Python. And this is the Google Colab. I've opened this Google Colab, and here I will going to write down the codes. These codes are already written. These codes are based on how you can solve the mathematical expressions with the help of Python programming. And we will going to do this. So in order to do that, you just need this SumPy and NumPy library. SumPy library, why we need it? So that you can use any mathematical expression just like pi and pi you can use it, and like suppose there are some symbols like addition, subtraction, plus, minus, and there are few more symbols that we use it, sigma. So these are all symbol you can use it with the help of this SumPy. If you want, I have already added this link, you can check it, this link. Just click on this link. Once you click on this link, you will see this. This is the library we needed to add a symbolic mathematical expressions. Whatever there are different kind of expressions are available in Python that you can edit. As I said, you Python, Sigma, and there are few mathematical expressions that we use it. So this all we can use it with this importing this NumPy library. And NumPy library we need it to in order to create array matrices. So here I'm going to import this. You might will get error if you just simply import it. You need to install it. So for installing it in Python, you need to use pip install SumPy. This pip will install this library on your code, and then you can use it freely. Freely means you can use it to derive any mathematical expression. In this, I will going to show you how you can do this mathematical expressions and how you can solve this. So here you can see that I've imported it, and then from IPython display import display and math. It means that from this IPython folder I'm package I will going to import this display and math Python file that will going to help me to display the output of any expression, and with the help of this math library we can do it. So here you can see this. I have declared here x, here a variable, and with the help of this sim here this sym is the I use it SumPy library. So this is a short notation for that. So this SumPy library, when we will going to use it, you can use this and it declare a variable x and assign it symbol x. It means that this x will act as a symbol, and this will going to solve an expression, this one, 2x plus 4 equal to 9. When you are going to solve it, how you can solve this, let me explain it first. So you can see this here, this 2x plus 4 9, how we usually when we solve it, it is something like this, right? 2x plus 9 equal to 4, right? You can see it here. Oh, sorry. Here, let me show you on the screen. 2x plus 4 into 9. So when I will going to solve this, I need to take this 9 before means before this equal to on my right hand side, so that I can equate it with 0. So when we usually solve this, how we're going to solve this? In order to solve this, I need to I need to take this 2x plus 9, and this 4 will move to this side on my left hand side, minus 4, and I will going to equate this with 0. So when you are going to solve this, you will get 2x plus 9 minus 4 will become 5 equal to still 0. You need to take this 0. How you this 0 will come? When you equate this with 0. Okay, you need to take this 4 to this side. When you move this 4 to your left hand side, this positive 4 will become negative, and equal to 0 here will come. Now in order to solve this further, you need to take minus you need to take this 5 back to your right hand side. So as it move, it will become minus 5, and x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. So this will be my final answer. So let's see that. what will be the value of this what will be the value of this expression when you get it. Okay, so let's see this in the code, Python code. How you're going to describe this? You need to take an x variable. You can take any variable here. I am taking x because I wanted to tell that this will going to act as a symbol x. Here this x will act as a symbol. Why symbol? Means this expression you need to find it out. The value of x you need to find out here. So then you need to take 2 into x plus 4 minus 9. Okay, sorry, I took it here different. Okay, let's change this. In place of this 9, I am taking this. So when you are going to solve this, what answer you will get? Let's run this. In order to start, first you run this library so that this should be installed successfully. As you can see, this library installed successfully without any error. It means that it is installed successfully. Now I will going to run and see what answer I will get. If this answer is equal to same this minus 5 by 2, it means that we are doing correct. So let's see this, run it. So see, you are getting minus 5 by 2, right? So in this video, I have explained you how you can use SymPy library and NumPy, and how you can solve the mathematical expression in Python. In my next video, we will going to solve some more Python library. We are going to see some more questions based on mathematics, and I will going to tell you what are different library we needed to solve this mathematical expression. If you like this video, then please subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.